Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to swap two numbers in C program. So let's get started. So first let me explain you how we are gonna do this with the help of a whiteboard, okay? So first imagine let's having two numbers A and B, and let's assume that A has a value as 5 and B has value 10. So for swapping this we need to get the output as B equal to 5 and we need to get the value of A equal to 10. So this is what swap means. We will be like interchanging the values and storing it in the variables. So for achieving this, we will be making use of a temporary variable t. Alright. So let me explain you how this is gonna work. So first what we will do is we will just assign the temporary variable t with the value of a. Alright. So a value is 5. So what happens here is that after we assign a's value to t, t value will be now 5 and a value will also be 5 and b value will be 10. Okay, let's just have it as a work table. All right, something like this. So now we are assigning a's value to t. So t is 5 at the moment, and in the next step what we are doing is we will be assigning b's value to a, because we have already have a backup of a's value. So even though if we assign b's value to now a, we will be still having a's value in t. So we are not gonna lose a's value permanently. We are having a backup variable or a temporary variable t over here. So after this step what happens here is that b's value get overwritten on a's value. So b value is 10. So what happens, a is no longer 5 and a value is now 10, and we have interchanged a value, we have swapped a's value. The only thing left is we need to swap b's value because b's value is still 10, right? So in the next step we will just put b equal to, which one has the a's value? T has a's value. So we will just do b equal to t. So now what happens is we are assigning t's value to b. So t value over here is 5. So after this step b will be equal to 5. That's it. So these are the last values we will be printing in the output, and here you can see b equal to 5, a equal to 10, b equal to 5, a equal to 10. We have successfully swapped the numbers. So this is the simplest workflow of how to swap two numbers. So if we just do this exactly in the code, so first we will be having three numbers int a comma b comma t, which is the temporary variable, and we will be getting two numbers as an input from the user. So I'm just having here printf enter a and b, and next we'll be getting the input. So it's going to be scanf. And let me just have another print statement to show a and b's value before swapping. So I'm just having a print statement like this before swapping, and next we will write the swapping logic. So first is, as I told you over here, we will be assigning t equal to a. So t equal to a, and next one is going to be a equal to b. We are assigning b's value to a, and finally we need to assign a's value to b, which is present in the variable t. So it's going to be b equal to t. That's it. And let me just now quickly copy this and paste it, and I will just put here after swapping. That's it. Save it, and if I run it now, I will go with a value as 50 and b value as 100. So here you can see before swapping a is 50 and b is 100, but after swapping a value is 100 and b value is 50. So this is, guys, this is the simplest way to swap two numbers in C programming, and I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in C, C++, Java, Python, MySQL and MongoDB queries, AI videos. Check them out. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.